Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express. Up first, you would have seen our very special guest, Kelly Stowell from Feral Art. Absolutely amazing. If you missed her, there'll be a link in the description. Go check her out. You won't be disappointed. She's absolutely fantastic. So thank you very much, Kel, for being our very special guest this week. We love you. All right, so what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to use up some old colours that I've got laying around and have a total random play day. I'm just going to make it up as I go along and hopefully they'll all turn out cool. Fingers crossed. All right, guys, here's some tunes. Enjoy.
Tomorrow We've been hiding in the shadows, we've been biding our time. We've been running from the devil, just trying to make it out alive. We don't have to run, be afraid no more. When the thunder comes, we won't fear the storm. Can you hear the drums beating louder than before? This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. Feel it rising up within us, getting stronger now. No one left to avenge us, but we will never back down. We don't have to run, be afraid thunder comes, we won't fear the storm. Can you hear the drums beating louder than before? This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. Oh, how the mighty have fallen. Oh, like stars from the sky. Oh, can you hear us calling? Oh, this is a battle cry. This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. This means war. This means war. You breathe just a little bit harder. Heartbeats just a little bit faster. The sweat begins to drip. You're thinking this is it. You're gonna burn through this. 'Cause you can only run so long, and you can only right some wrong. Yeah, forgiveness is a virtue, but they all wanna hurt you. Can't hide your guilty conscience. Somebody knows what you did. So smile and act like you're okay, but you're running out of friends in this place, and you can't hide your guilty conscience. You wish you could take it all back now. Can't sleep without dreaming you're found out. You thought you covered your tracks, you swore you buried your racks, but you can never relax. You don't know what's around the corner, and the quiet always feels like torture. Yeah, this is gonna haunt you, at least until they got you. Can't hide your guilty conscience. Somebody knows what you did. So smile and act like you're okay, but you're running out of friends in this place, and you can't hide your guilty conscience. Can't hide your guilty conscience. What was that behind your back? Don't you hear those footsteps? Fate never forgets. Can't hide your guilty conscience. Somebody knows what you did. So smile and act like you're okay, but you're running out of friends in this place, and you can't hide your guilty conscience. Can't hide your guilty conscience. Can you history calling you? calling me, written in stone upon tablets that fade away. We will remain. Oh, look what we done. The wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but don't go down. I want it all. I want it all. So long live the king. Long live the empire. Yeah, I'll wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king. This is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd. Say it. King, king, king. Long live the kingdoms will fall to mine is the only one. Written in stars like a sign of glory to come.
Alright guys, I'll do a flyover of that one. That turned out super cool. Love it. Gotta love having just a play day. You just have a play, make up random stuff. If it works, bonus. If it doesn't, well, too bad, so sad. It's only paint. You can always just scoop it back up into a pile and pour over the top of it. So they were definitely loads of fun. Alright guys, up next we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey. Click on the name and the title of this video, it'll take you to a channel. If you're in the live chat, click on the link that I put in there, it'll take you to premiere for today. Or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by venomfluidart on Facebook, just use the play all list that I put in there each and every week. That way you don't get lost. And you can see everybody on the Fluid Art Express, one after another. Okie dokie. That's it from me. So have fun. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Yeah, I'll show you just how true they can be. Let's raise a glass to the king.